In this tutorial, we'll show you how to take a picture and engage. First, open up your menu. You can open your menu by pressing either the menu or tablet button on your controllers, or the escape button on your keyboard. You can take pictures with either your menu or your tablet. The menu is on a fixed axis, so it will give you a more steady picture, while the tablet will work the same as a real handheld device and gives you more freedom. You can swap between the tablet and the menu whenever you want, so give them both a try once you get the hang of the camera. Once your menu is open, click on the camera icon on the right-hand side of your menu. You will see 3 buttons under the preview window of your camera. The first button takes you to the image folder on your device. The second one is your camera trigger and will capture your image. And the third one will flip the camera around and let you take a selfie. If you're happy with your picture, press save. You will then be given the option to change the name of your picture and save it to your cloud files.